I couldn't help it.
All right, guys, we're thinking about trading in the 2015 Mustang GT for the Mach 1. All right, I just had to stop. There's this Mach 1 sitting out here with the performance package. Got those big fat Cup 2s on there, Brimbos. Great looking car. Great looking car. It's got the automatic with the Recaros. Good looking wheels. All right, first drive in the 2021 Mustang Mach 1. Here with Xander.
Hey, what's up?
He brought his 2021 supercharged down to Miracle Ford. I think we're in Hendersonville?
Yeah, I think so.
Hendersonville, and I'm just getting used to this car. So we're in normal mode and we're just gonna head out the dealership, and Xander's gonna roll with me as we figure out how to drive this thing. This is my first time, so.
Gonna be fun for you.
Yeah. So the Recaros do not have a power. Let's turn on the air a little bit. The Recaros do not have a power adjust. So this is normal mode, suspension's normal mode, exhaust is normal mode, steering's normal. I was literally just driving by today and I saw this Mach 1 and I said, instead of upgrading my car, I said, let's just purchase this one. So we're just gonna ease into it. I couldn't help it.
I love it, dude.
We're just gonna use into. All right. I don't know where we're going, but
I don't either.
I'm not from here. The police are it's bad here, so we gotta chill out. I wanted a 10-speed automatic since 2018. Since you guys know, I started making all those videos about the 10-speed automatic, and I really wanted one. Plus, the Gen 3 Coyote has higher compression, it's more responsive, makes a lot more power, and this has got the GT350 intake and throttle body and intake and everything, so it makes, like, what is it, 480? 480, right? So my previous car was 435. So this is this has everything that I want. I wanted the digital dash, I wanted the active exhaust so I can turn it on and off, and it's got the MagneRide suspension, which you can't add that on. You have to purchase that. You know, you can't just upgrade your car with MagneRide. It's integrated with the dash and the steering wheel and everything else and the computer. So really where this car shines is on the road course, and there's nowhere on the street that would, this was as fast as the GT350R around a racetrack. So there's no way possible with these Cup 2 tires on the road that you're actually going to be able to, you know, get to the limitations of this vehicle at all. So we're just cruising. This is my first drive, literally, and Xander's hanging out with me, so I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's turn the air on, though, huh?
Oh, yeah.
And the windows down.
Now, you did a good job picking the 10R80 with the handling package. This is, you know, I got the manual, but this is definitely the faster option. You know, even with mine having more power, you'd probably keep up pretty well.
Yeah, maybe not bad.
Yeah. You can never.
The 10 speeds are so fast.
Yeah, you're not going to outshift an automatic.
I'll say though, in your car, the manual transmission looks good sitting in there.
Yeah, it does. But yeah, this is a great car.
I'm gonna just drive this thing. I'm gonna put miles on it. I'm just gonna drive it.
That's what I do with mine.
I'm just gonna drive it.
Yep.
I'm just gonna drive it every day.
Yep.
Man, these cars look so good. With the quad exhaust, you can't really upgrade yours like that. we're down in sport mode. Don't really want to get in trouble. Can't really go anywhere. We're in traffic. That was like half throttle. So I can hear the rocks flying up on the paint.
Yeah, you got the cup two tires. Yeah.
Man, I've really got to get some ceramic coating on this car before I ruin the paint, but I'm just gonna drive this car. I'm not gonna baby. The biggest mistake that I made was babying my 2015. I'm literally just gonna put miles in this car and really enjoy it, because that's what they're made for. So I'm looking forward to actually just going to the drag strip, going to the road course, maybe modifying the car, but actually just driving the car and enjoying it instead of babying it so much like what I did with the 2015. Because what did I end up doing after 7 years? I ended up giving it to the dealership on a trade-in. So I babied it for what? You know,
yep,
to trade it in.
Yep.
So these cars are made to be enjoyed. So I'm looking forward to enjoying the car. And look at that beast,
Mac Daddy, right there.
Such good looking cars, man.
Thing is, these cars are people don't give them enough credit, honestly, in my opinion, for the Mach 1, because it's a 350 in, you know, a GT body. It's crazy.
Yeah, it doesn't have like the 5.2 supercharged. It doesn't have the Voodoo, but it literally was just as fast around the track as the 350R.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe this motor's more reliable than the Voodoo,
yep,
than the 350 motor.
Yep.
So, and this has a bit more torque for the street. So is it kind of the perfect, you know, daily driver? I mean, maybe, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, man, I'm excited about just taking this thing out and just breaking it in. That was that was with traction. I don't know. I didn't even go full throttle.
No.
When we left, I went full throttle, but I mean that was just through. I had to kick down and go through second, but this thing, once it gets up third, fourth, fifth, and shifts through those, oh man, it sounds so good.
Yeah.
So, all right, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and thanks for coming out, Xander. And looking forward to hanging out with the Tennessee guys and getting our cars together and making some cool videos for you guys.
100%, man.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
I'm not afraid of the X-Pipe.
What do you think?
I like the X-Pipe.
Yeah?
Yes, more X-Pipe.
Yep.
Who's first? Do him first.
Alright guys, so the reason I upgraded, or how it happened, basically for the 2015 Mustang GT, I was ordering the handling package wheels because I love these wheels, absolutely love these wheels. And I was going to upgrade to a GT350 intake, throttle body from Ford Performance, the Stage 2 that they had, and order the Ford Performance track springs, the 350R steering wheel and shift knob. I had all these parts on order at Levittown. Shout out to Levittown, they've been very helpful. As I was driving home, I actually saw a real handling package Mach 1 sitting at the dealership. And I just got the car. Because essentially, it would be too much work to try to convert a 15 to an actual capabilities of the Mach 1, including the digital dash, Magna Ride with the computer converted, active valve exhaust, which I always did not like. As you can see in the video, I started the car and I immediately switched to quiet because someone's car alarm basically went off, it seemed like. So all those features you can't get on the 15. You can't even upgrade to that on the 15. So basically, I just upgraded the car. I'm still learning about the car, the specifications, the details, but let's just check it out. It does have the few options on it we're going to talk about in the video. As you can see, guys, I just want to say thank you for everyone who's been there from the beginning, from the 2015 Mustang GT review, Land Cruiser reviews, and everything else that I've done. Without you guys' help, I wouldn't have been able to justify this for myself. So this is for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed as well. So I basically upgraded this car for the channel, and it's an upgrade over the 15. 15 was kind of long in the tooth. It's 2022 now. Had it for 7 years, bought it new. And instead of modifying that vehicle, I just decided to just upgrade the vehicle to exactly what I wanted. So I think this is a great blend for as a daily driver. Even though it is the handling package, I think I'll just swap out the Cup 2s for PS4s, and I look forward to making more videos for you guys. But let's just do a little walk around until I can get a full review going. I need to get the camera set up a little bit better, but we'll just do a walk around. And let me just say this. It is a night and day difference between a 15 Performance Pack car. Honestly, a 15 Performance Pack car compared to the Mach 1 handling package, it makes the 15 Performance Pack car feel like a Crown Vic, a cab. It's like the Ford Crown, the big Crown Vic. It literally feels like a big floaty boat. Now I know you can upgrade the S55 to make it handle like this, right? I know you can do that, but stock for stock, the MagnaRide, with the way the suspension's set up and the wheels and tires and everything else that's been done to this, the aero, the faster you go in this car, the more stable and planted it feels. And the 15 car, the faster you go, it's just all over the place, honestly. This feels like a video game, a bit, to be honest. I'm absolutely in love with the car. Basically, the 10-speed auto is way more enjoyable to drive, daily driving and spirited driving. It's essentially, it's actually really fun. I really enjoy driving the 10-speed auto for whatever reason. A lot of people don't. I like listening to the engine, go through the gears, choose the gears. I like to hear it and feel it. I like to watch what it does. That's why I enjoy it. A lot of people don't like that. I think it's boring, but I'm kind of a dork like that. So I've driven manual cars for over 30 years, basically 20, 25 years. So I recommend you drive a 10-speed auto. If you're in a 15 to 17, go drive an 18 and up. And if you can, you know, go up from there, go up from there. I really, I'm just amazed with
this vehicle overall. It is everything, every option that I possibly wanted, it has. We're gonna do a full review, but I'm just so in love with this car, and I just wanted to give a big shout out to all you guys who've been there from the beginning and who's always comment, support, watch the videos, and we're gonna make more content. Let's do some track days, let's do some drag strip days, and thanks for watching. If you liked the video, we'll do a full review soon. Hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you like.
All right, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and thanks for coming out, Xander. And looking forward to hanging out with the Tennessee guys and getting our cars together and making some cool videos for you guys.
100%, man.
Thanks, man.
Yep.